We're just commenting on the amount of dust being kicked up. So dust storms in the southwest are called haboub, which are taken from the Arabic word for dust storm from the Middle East. So that's we're just wondering if we're going to kick up enough dust with an outflow boundary or something to get a little bitty haboub.
Oh wow, the dust is right here. Tumbleweed.